Ooh, super long wing. Ooh, missed it. Where? Ooh, just briefly glimpse. That's beautiful. Use his tongue there to suck the nectar from the flowers. Ooh, don't want to get her in the shot. Ooh, great shot. Just sucking the nectar from the flowers. From the Spanish nettle flowers, the Florida native plant. Just a creep out the tourist like. I scared them for a lawn by mistake, but. Ooh, a fish. Is that a fish? Yeah. Hard to see it though. And because it's mostly in the shady part of the water now, swimming out there. What is reflection with the water so far? There's just so much unseen. Or if someone could get my camera case, that would be good. Hold on, viewers, for a sec. Just make it shaky to get my bag. Maybe someone close my bag. You don't have to video me anymore. I did. Is that, sorry.
Put your phone in here?
Yes. Is that a turtle? Yeah, there's a turtle. Sorry, can't get my bag on. There we go. That's a turtle. See, it's trying to get some oxygen so it can help spread under the water. You see that? I just lost it, which is annoying there. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Wow, he just has his eyes open, looking at the surface of the water. He's emerging, he's emerging! Now he breathes again. See his nostrils. Wow. The magnificent. You can see it from the water surface. It's going to come up again. Yeah. Wow. And ooh, a turtle on the lock. He came back. Sunning himself on this warm day. Any more gonna come up, I wonder. There's no more over there now. That's the only one. Wow, I wonder if that looks up and it's a Lakuta turtle or not. I'm gonna get my camera case. Ooh, another turtle. I think it's about to emerge. I think it's gonna go up on a log. It's Ariana the turtle. Almost right. We're almost gonna go to the hike. Someone's gonna need camera this because it's open. Someone needs to have me close. It's beautiful out here. I don't even hear any words they're saying. But I have to keep the ball flying. Last ball flying for a hike. Just gorgeous. Wow. Absolutely crazy. It's an invasive brown and old lizard. Ooh, my fingers are in the position. That's better. Well, front foresty here. As you see, it's woody. Oh, wild coffee, Florida native. By the hammock in the creek, the turtle's home. Hold on, huh? Okay, so let's go back to the prairie hiking. There's something down there. Ooh, there has to be something down there. We have no choice but to stop and look at it. What's down there? You see? Ooh, fish. I smell mosquito spray. I smell mosquito spray and there's a bunch of fish down there in the creek. I'm gonna eat some darnfish for lunch. So there, swim me away. It's beautiful. Look, that's a carp. It can't be. It looks like a sheep's head. Some raw fish. We almost see a sheep's head, right? That's a sheep's head fish. Ooh. Ooh, those are fast. They're all in the middle like that. Dang. Some big ones. Big fish named Jermaine Simmons. This is its mouth. Not a fish mouth. Oh, natural wonder. This is nice. Wild coffee, Sardinese. This one's the wild coffee. And so is this one, and this one, and this one. And another, and another. Berries. The birds like the berries, and then they'll get the alfalfa before the berries to get the reproduction. So probably this nature preserve at the shoe watching station. What do you know? Sorry. See this climb up here and see the nature, I guess. I think this is Marcine. Yeah, that has to be Marcine. That's your typical Marcine, I believe. Oh, Holly. Holly. So, Rob's back in nature center, so I'll give you a little tour in. This place is excellent. Oh, this is the time right now. I don't know why I do that. I guess it is obsessed with remembering the time at the times to do stuff. It's the nature center building. The big tree. Darn. There's some bromeliads and Spanish moss. Some moss on the bark, some lichen. Oh. In this place here got some mosquito spray already ready for you. And as the hiker with me said, mosquito activity today on Sunday, February 5th, 2017. Mosquito activity is currently high, which is weird for our winter months. With three-tailed kites, it looks like. Welcome to the nature center. Which you can use at the closed doors, fine? Making sure. Yeah, I kissed both. Anyway, it's coming. Okay, it's a great blue heron. Looks like a green. Whoops. That's a great blue and a green. This is an anhinga. The largest native snake in the U.S. is this one. The eastern indigo snake. The largest native snake. Do not tap on the glass. Indy, like they got in his wobble. It's the eastern indigo snake. So, North America's largest non-venomous snake. Cool. Gets its name from the black color of his large smooth scales, which appear incandescent purple in the sunlight. Cool. Okay, something about simple. Oh, sightings. Document the current sightings since 2000. Blah blah blah. Conservation. Oh, I want to see one, but I never have seen one down here. 95% of its habitat has been destroyed by people. The indigo snake. Don't let loose. Oh, that's true. Don't release them pythons out. Yesterday, my friend went to the beach and held one of those pythons. I was watching a documentary actually on YouTube about the invasion of the giant pythons, so gotta be careful about that. The beach. Oh, her friend held some pythons. So, wow, that's amazing. I'd go for tortoise. Only hatch. That thing's so cute. Oh, that 12 pounds. Wow. That's nice insects. Aerial field. Wow. I'm around here somewhere. Darn. Ooh, August 1999. That's the year I was born. I was born August 21, 1999. Ooh, the love bird. So this is a red rat snake. What do you know? Once again, please do not tell Cosmic. Red rat snake. Wow. It is such an amazing creature. I'll name all these animals after my friend. So I get a clear zoom of face. Ooh, a little too close. When you do these type of shots, you can really hard to zoom on the way in. So I'll try and get a clear view of it. Oops, sorry, oops. Red rat snake. So now we're getting out the nature center, heading back to the parking lot. So as you can see, your strangler fig, so dramatic, me, so dramatic. Parking lot, a seemingly endless blue sky and clouds. Scott, Spanish moss again, not a moss, it's a bromeliad. Now this is the cypress tree. That has nothing. Oh, going up. Sword ferns, star ferns, strangle fig, larvae, me baby, the bromeliad. Some man-made wood and a big hole under there. Ain't nothing in there. So I want to show you a plant before I end this. Ooh, see the holly can again. That's not a plant. It's a star. Where is it? Where is that? See the plant. So, but where? Should be some coming up. There says wild line, larva host plant for the giant swallowtail butterfly. So I have it earlier today on the other trail, but I haven't seen any here. In fact, there's nothing. They're probably maybe at a different part of the tree. Part of the citrus family. It's another one. Caterpillar free, but it's pretty cool. Well, I'm cutting this off. Good day, everyone.